Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A rich and creamy dessert, made with ingredients like whipped cream, egg whites, or chocolate. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as mousse. Mousse. The letter E at the end is silent. Mousse. Mousse is often enjoyed as an elegant dessert at special occasions like dinner parties or festive gatherings. Its light, airy texture makes it a favorite for both casual and upscale dining experiences. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mousse, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.